Tired of extra currency accounts cluttering your Wise dashboard? Learn how to remove them in under a minute. I'll show you exactly where to click to delete any currency account. Just follow these 3 simple steps. So let's get into it. You're looking at your Wise dashboard and it's just a little overwhelming, right? Maybe you opened a few currency accounts for a trip that's long over, or you just want a cleaner, more organized view. I've been there myself, and the option isn't exactly obvious at first glance. But trust me, it's actually really straightforward once you know where to look. First thing you need to do is navigate to your main Wise account page. This is just your home screen, where you see the list of all your different balances. Now, take a look at the currency you want to get rid of. Maybe it's the Japanese yen from your Tokyo trip, or the British pounds you set up for a subscription that's now canceled. Just click on that specific currency. Don't worry, you're not going to delete anything instantly. This just opens up the account details for that specific balance. It's like opening a drawer to see what's inside before you decide what to throw away. And here's the really important part. Once that currency account is open, look over to the right side of the screen. You'll see a few different options. Right next to the account balance, there's a small icon with 3 little dots in a vertical line. It's sometimes called a kebab menu or a more options menu. You want to click that. This is your key to everything you can do with this specific account. It's tucked away to keep the interface clean, but it holds all the important actions you need. So now that you've clicked those 3 dots, a drop-down menu should appear with a few choices. Now pay close attention to this one. You might see options like close account or deactivate, but the one you're looking for is clearly labeled remove currency. It's usually near the bottom of that little list. Go ahead and click that. Now, Wise will ask you to confirm. They don't want you to accidentally erase something important. It's a quick pop-up that says something like, "Are you sure you want to remove this currency from your account?" It might also warn you if you have any money left in that account. In my experience, you need to make sure the balance is 0 before it will let you proceed. If there's any money in there, you'll need to convert it to another currency or withdraw it first. So double-check that first. If it's all good, just hit confirm. And that's it. Seriously. Within a few seconds, that currency account disappears from your dashboard completely. No extra steps, no confusing menus. You've just cleaned up your account in under a minute. So now your Wise dashboard is clean and only shows you the currencies you actually use. No more scrolling past the clutter. No more accidentally clicking on an account you don't need anymore. It's just you, your active balances, and a much calmer view of your finances. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, and I'll see you in the next one.